Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do this challenge on Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to spin the wheel of like players on Dress to Impress, and I have to do it, which I mean, okay. No, I have to be a top model. Are you kidding me? Okay. It says top model, so let's start with the video. Me in 10 years. Okay, yikes. This is going to be a little bit hard to do. And here is me 10 years later with a black cat, apparently. I don't really know what to do for the pose. Can I not do this one? Okay. Too late. And here is the final result. I don't even know. Okay, I placed third, and that's fine because I did do the theme. But yeah, the votes are super low. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I know it's not super top model material, but like I don't even know how to like dress up as a top model. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.